My Recipe Library is your personal collection of recipes you've entered and analyzed. From here, you can easily add them to your My Menu and customize your meal plan according to your preferences. Click on the My Recipe Library button to explore your complete library. To add a recipe to your weekly menu plan, simply click on the recipe title to open the recipe card. Along with viewing the ingredients and instructions, the recipe card gives you the option to review the recipe analysis through the Nutrients button. Feel free to check out the source link to view the entire recipe and cooking tips for some great inspiration. Before you're ready to add it to the weekly meal plan, first adjust the number of servings you want to make, and the ingredients and shopping list will update accordingly. Then enter the number of servings you plan to eat. Next, click on the Add to Your Meal button. The My Menu Week grid will open. Select the day of the week and mealtime you prefer for this recipe. Click on the gray box, and the recipe title will appear. Then, save your selection. Close the tabs, and now let's go check out the added recipe in your My Menu. Navigate to the My Menu page and click on the selected day to view the recipe. You can see it has been added, and the calories, nutritional information, and graph have all been updated.